So this is awesome. Today I am in Lake Louise. There's Fairview Mountain, the summit. That's our objective for today. So we got 2,744 meters elevation. So it's just after 9 o'clock right now. See how long it takes. So we left the upper parking lot, and there's a junction here at the west side of the parking lot. You can go down to the lake there, or up to Fairview Lookout and Saddleback Pass on the Saddleback Trail. So I'm at another junction here. Goes left and right there. And one way says Fairview Lookout, which is this way. And this way is Saddleback Pass, 3 kilometers. That's where we're going before we go up the south side of Fairview Mountain. And there's our objective again. So right now we're about halfway up to the Saddleback call, and it seems like the trail is a lot of this here, right there. Just some pretty steep with the odd 30 or 20 foot section that's a little more flat, but I probably expect that all the way up the mountain. Is a mountain after all, I guess. So yeah, right now at a junction in the trail. Behind me, you can see I'm getting pretty high up already. So it goes off to the right and the left, and it's kind of like the Highland Trail off to the left, and like a lower, easier way to get up. But I like going faster and gain an elevation quicker, so I'll go this way. Should be at the Saddleback shortly. Really nice view right now. Not a very good panorama because I dropped my hiking pole down the ledge a little bit. Gotta be careful of that from now on. Look at that over there, man. That's beautiful. There's Saddle Mountain off to the left. I'm not sure these three here But there's, I believe that's the summit up there for where we're going today, Fairview Mountain. So right now I'm just 23 meters below Saddleback Call, between Saddle Mountain and Fairview. And yeah, I got the GoPro here, and you can see Haddle Peak right in front of me, right there with the snow on it. Shoal Mountain right there. That one I'm not too sure. It's obviously a pretty dominant mountain. People know what that is. I'll try a panorama here. I don't know how good panoramas are with GoPros, but here we go. Alright, let's head her up to Fairview. So this looks like some bear beds here. They like to nestle in the ground there and make little comfy beds for themselves. There's two here and one big one, another small one over to the right. If you think there's something else though, just comment in the comment section and let me know I'm wrong or right or whatever. Yeah, so she's starting to get steeper here. The views are incredible. Like, this is amazing. I think Fairview Mountain is a lesser summit or something to some of the other ones. It's still fantastic. Is that what they do?
Yeah. They hear noise coming in the outstretch of the legs. And they try to catch the pants or the arms or wherever.
So anything they can get, yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh yeah, yeah, we'll let him by. How was it?
Beautiful. It's great.
Nice.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too, you guys. This is like purely amazing up here. How's it going, Peter? Pretty good? See some other people making their way up the trail. We are at 2646 meters elevation. Just under 100 meters to go. And the views are unfolding before us. We are now at 2732 meters elevation, 12 meters up to go to the summit. Where is that, Chipmunk?
Right there. The rock. Oh, I can't see him.
Oh, I don't see him now. Alright, here we go. People seem to take several ways up, I don't know. This way is the path, I guess. Wow. Wow, man, look at this. Holy crap. This is the summit's up there though, at the cairn. Here we are at the summit for Fairview Mountain. Whoever said it's a Fairview is 100% wrong. I'd like to look up the history on that because this is amazing. Wow. Hey Peter? This is crazy.
Holy shit.
Yeah. That is Mount St. Piran right there. See it? With a zigzag going up it? Over there. There's the end of the Plain of the Six Glaciers we took yesterday, man. I think I got the name of that mountain wrong. That's okay, I'm not the most experienced mountaineer.
You see the deals?
Wow, this is amazing, man. This is crazy. Can't see Borgio here, our next summit. I think
Oh, hey!
our next mountain is in the way of that. Man, this is crazy, hey?
Yeah, pretty good.
Just careful at the edge here.
Yep.
There is Lake Louise down there. People hanging out there. There's a chateau.
Still see some of these areas that are leisure touched next to those fields over there.
Yeah. This is crazy, man.